What's inside the Egyptian pyramids? The Egyptian pyramids were built as monumental tombs for the pharaohs of ancient Egypt. They were designed to house the bodies of the pharaohs and their belongings, as well as serve as a place for the pharaoh's soul to reside in the afterlife. The main component of the pyramids is the burial chamber, where the pharaoh's sarcophagus would be placed. The sarcophagus was a stone coffin that contained the mummified body of the pharaoh. The burial chamber was often located deep within the pyramid, in an effort to protect it from theft and desecration. In addition to the burial chamber, the pyramids contained various passageways, rooms, and corridors. These served different purposes, such as providing access to the burial chamber, providing storage for funerary goods and offerings, and facilitating the rituals and ceremonies associated with the pharaoh's burial. The pyramids were also adorned with elaborate decorations and inscriptions. The walls of the burial chamber and other chambers were often covered in hieroglyphic texts and intricate carvings depicting scenes from the pharaoh's life, religious rituals, and offerings to the gods. It's important to note that many of the Egyptian pyramids have been looted and damaged over the centuries, so the exact contents of each pyramid can vary. However, the general purpose and layout described above are characteristic of the majority of Egyptian pyramids. Subscribe to our channel and follow us for regular updates and exclusive content.